Combustion reactions are high-temperature exothermic redox reactions that take place between a fuel, reducing agent, and an oxidant, usually atmospheric oxygen, as a result of which deoxidized product is formed. As a result of combustion phenomena, heat appears. Combustion reactions are a chemical event. Carbon dioxide and water are formed when organic substances, hydrocarbons, containing carbon and hydrogen in their structure and organic substances containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen in their structure are burned. Characteristics of the combustion reaction. Heat is released in the combustion reaction. Combustion is a chemical event. The structure of matter changes. In combustion reactions, carbon dioxide and water is formed. Combustion without water or carbon dioxide. There are also reactions between the substance that decays into the combustion reaction. Bonds are broken and new bonds are formed. Burning is also known as oxidation. How does the combustion event occur? In order for the combustion event to occur, the combustible material must be. The substance, oxygen gas, and the ignition temperature are required. As can be seen, as a result of insufficient oxygen from the conversion of carbon to carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, the amount of energy lost by staying in the state is at the level of 70%. Is happening. This is due to the fact that the supplied air is increased at a certain rate. The situation is defined by the coefficient of air excess, fuel type. Depending on the variation of this coefficient, it is less and more than necessary. There are disadvantages encountered in cases of its occurrence. Therefore, for the optimization of combustion during operation, with the help of flue gas analyzers, flue gas analysis can be easily. Burners and boilers are being obtained and evaluated instantly. It is being interfered with. 8. The combustion event of oxygen and fuel in an ideal vacuum. The exact proportions of the elements desired in theory are. It occurs by mixing. But a burn. In his case, there is always more air than the theoretical need. It is given. Because of the determined airflow rate, the air. Depending on the temperature, the number of moles varies, or according to fluctuations in the power supply, the air fan flow rate can vary. Types of combustion. Slow burning, fast burning, polishing and polishing, self-combustion, slow burning. Slow combustion, insufficient oxygen of the combustible substance. Due to the sufficient amount of heat, steam or gas. It occurs when it is unable to produce, for example, oxygen in the air of metals such as iron, Fr, copper, Cu. And when oxidized by air heat, flammable substances are iron and copper, unable to remove steam or gas. Therefore, a slow burning event occurs. The resulting iron oxide, FeO and copper oxide CuO comes out. The phenomenon of cell respiration of living things is also It is a kind of slow burning event.